Welcome to SentryOne. In this video, we will discuss the Lineage Analysis functionality within xPress. There are a couple different ways to launch the Lineage Analysis functionality. The first is by clicking on the Lineage Analysis tile within the feature finder. You can also open up Lineage Analysis by clicking on the Show Lineage option in the ribbon after selecting the solution in the item list as shown here. You will then be brought to the Lineage Analysis welcome screen. Here you can choose an item from the right side of the screen. You can also use the search box at the top of the window to find the desired item. Once the item has been selected, you will see it appear in the diagram panel. From here, you have several different options. The first option is to select the level of detail with which you would like to view the lineage. This can be done by clicking the Low Detail option in the ribbon. This is the default view, and selecting the detail level you desire. Changing this allows you to dig in further on the objects within the Object Explorer. xPress also allows you to change the layout of your objects within the diagram panel by selecting the layout option in the ribbon and changing it to the layout that is best for you. You can also drag and drop objects in the diagram panel if you desire to customize the view. You can then export the diagram panel to a file by clicking the export option in the ribbon. You can also select the refresh option to restore the diagram panel to the original view of the selected layout in cases where you have moved the objects around. xPress also allows you to turn the legend off and on by selecting the legend option in the ribbon. You can also zoom in or out by using the scroll wheel on your mouse or by clicking on the magnifying glass at the bottom left of the diagram panel. There is also an auto fit option that will zoom to a point where all the objects in the diagram are visible. Another option you have is to filter the diagram to view the dependency direction between the objects in either a bidirectional manner, this is the default, inbound to the object only, or outbound from the object only. This can be done by selecting the option from the ribbon like this. Please note that there will be arrowheads in the line between objects. Hovering over these arrowheads will provide you with the link type and routing information that the data is taking. Double-clicking will also provide you with a dialog listing all the routes the data took in cases where there are many routes. Because there are many more options for the lineage analysis functionality within xPress, we will continue our discussion in a different video. If you have any questions about this information or you would like further assistance, please navigate to our support website at support.sentyone.com. Thanks for watching.